Hello everyone, Nadeem here with PC.Solutions.Net. Thanks for joining me. Sorry I was out all last week. I was at Fest, so wasn't able to make many videos. Apologize for that, but I'm back, so expect to see more videos. So today the topic is optimizing IT budgets. This is critical, especially in the SMB space. You know, large enterprises have a lot of times unlimited budgets, really. And in the SMB space, we have to be very conscious of every penny that we spend. And as an MSSP, it's important to help businesses optimize their IT budgets. And we're always looking to find cost-effective solutions. It's taking existing components and then tuning them, building them in such a way that it makes a cost-effective overall solution as opposed to having a lot of waste if you had an unlimited budget. So in today's fast-paced business environment, companies need to be agile and efficient in their IT spending. We all know that. One way to optimize IT budgets is to invest in the right technology and tools. This can help businesses streamline their operations, improve productivity, and reduce costs. For example, using cloud-based solutions can help businesses save on hardware and maintenance costs, while also providing flexibility and scalability. Another way to optimize IT budgets is to regularly review and assess IT spending. This can help businesses identify areas where they can reduce costs, such as consolidating software licenses or renegotiating contracts with vendors. And this is all part of what an MSSP or an MSP does, right? So you don't have to go through all of this. We already have it down as a process, and we've already replicated it in so many different clients in different industries. And usually when an MSP gets involved, they will do the budgeting for you. They will negotiate the licenses and all of that. It's also important to invest in training and development for employees. This can help businesses maximize the value of their IT investment, as employees will be better equipped to use the technology and tools effectively. And we see this a lot. I remember this one time at one of the clients, this lady was manually scanning something and then attaching it and then sending it to a repository. I just looked over her shoulder and I was like, what are you doing? And she was like, oh, this is what I do. I got to scan all these and attach them over here. All it took was using Power Automate, maybe about 20 minutes of my time, and I was able to automate all that to where when each scan previously was taking about 3 to 5 minutes, and now it was just a matter of 5 to 6 seconds. So think of that throughout the day and then a month and then a year, how much saving in time this lady would have going from, such a big difference. So it's always good to have an IT expert or a team to assess how different processes are done. In summary, optimizing IT budgets is about finding the right balance between investing in the right technology and tools, regularly reviewing and assessing IT spending, and investing in training and development for employees. By taking these steps, businesses can find cost-effective solutions that help them achieve their goals. And this is what we do all day long, specifically for 20 to 50 user size companies in Texas. Until next time, everybody, have a great day and be safe.